Push this back. There you go. Good as new. So another thing, after using the RV for a while, you start to notice little things like this. These little guys right here. Trying to show you, will hit right there. As you see, it kind of makes a groove. After playing with it for a minute, found out these were loose. After travel, after opening and closing the doors for a while, he just got loose. So what we're gonna do to fix that is take them off, add a little thread lock. Good as new.